Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all a 4-in-1 get ready with me video featuring my hair, my makeup, my outfit, and a sneak peek into my destination. So if you want to see more on how I achieve this look, just keep watching. So I'm starting out by priming my entire face. I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. I've been using this primer for a good minute now. I have extremely oily skin and it does what it says it's supposed to do, but to make sure my oily skin don't come through because I'm going out for cocktails and appetizer, I'm using my Milk of Magnesia. Now I know I've heard that this got some controversy behind it, but let me tell you, it hasn't done any side effects to me. I'm only taking a little bit of it and I'm going to put that along the perimeter, and with the same blending facial brush, I'm just going to blend that right on in. Once I do that, I'm now going to move into using my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep. I'm using this to set the primer that's on my eyelids and as a transitional color for my eyeshadows to blend together more smoothly, which is my MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. I love using this to help separate my brow bone from my crease highlight, and it also helps to warm my eye up for the next application of eyeshadows. So I'm going to start out first by using a creamy black base because my eyeshadows, I really need them to pop that much better. So I want to use this black base first. And I'm going to start out with this lime green color, start popping it directly into the crease. The link to this eyeshadow palette will be down in the description box below. But somewhere along the line, my camera stopped. And here's where I got extremely frustrated. And I'm like, oh gosh, ain't much I can do. So I created the makeup look. Please give this video a thumbs up. And I will come back and give you the full look on how I use that eyeshadow palette. But in the meantime, I want to keep this video going, so I'm using my Lancome foundation right here, and I'm using a flat top face blending brush to apply it. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to start blending it in my entire face. And the information to everything that I did use will still be down in the description box below. So check down there for all the product details. Once I finish blending in my entire face, I'm then moving into my Black Radiance Contour Kit, and I'm going to start contouring by scoping out my cheekbones and the perimeters of my face. I'm also going to use the highlight that is in this Black Radiance palette. Absolutely love it. It gives me just a hint of highlight and it's not overwhelming. And to set my makeup, my Avion Mineralized Vapor Water. It's down in the description box below. Oh, that feels so good going against my skin. So now that I've done my look, let me now do the hair and outfit, and voila. This is my full look, dolls. The hair is by Motown Tress, and the pants is from Strawberry, shirt from H&M, and my bag is my blue Cobalt Chanel Maxi bag. I decided to pair it with because the hair got some blue in it too. And this is the full look. And I also decided to wear some eyewear, which I purchased from Rainbow Apparel. So now that I've shown you the outfit, let's head on over to the destination. Let's go. So dolls, I made it to La Marina and I'm meeting up with my infamous, there she is. Hi my love. Oh my god.
Thank you. I love this hair.
Thank you. Dolls, I want y'all to meet Miss Honey Aurora.
Hello, hi
model,
How are you? Yes, hello.
Isn't she gorgeous?
Thank you. You are too, you know, it runs in the family.
What are you drinking?
Hypnotic, frozen, drink. That's what she said. I know the name. She told me it's like hypnotic, frozen, that sounds delicious. Something different, you know.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out the menu, get me a cocktail, and we're going to come back on camping. Okay. Our food just got here. OMG.
Yes, oh my gosh.
I'm going to show you all close up. If ever in New York City, you got to come here. She didn't want to put me up on it. I never been here before, but I'm definitely coming back. Let me show you all this food. There we go. Oh man, this shit looks so good.